It is often said that all fingers are not equal, but we must personally make sure that we are not the shortest of the fingers and determined to build wealth, because wealth is a defense. In this video, we'll talk about the 7 ways rich people make money. So, let's get started. If you've been learning about money, you might notice something about rich people. They don't rely on just one way to earn money. Studies show that most millionaires have about 7 different ways to make money. They don't just get lucky, they make smart choices. 1. Earned income. Earned income is the money you make from working at your job. It's the reward you get for the time and energy you spend working. For example, it could be the salary you receive each month, the wage you earn for every hour you work, or the commissions you make from sales. Earned income is good because it's steady, and you can count on it to cover your expenses. However, there's a limit to how much you can earn based on your job, industry, and working hours. Plus, if you lose your job, you might face financial difficulties. To make the most of your earned income, it's important to keep improving yourself professionally. This means learning new skills, networking with others in your field, and searching for better job opportunities. By doing this, you can increase your earning potential and secure your financial future. 2. Dividend income. Owning shares in a firm entitles you to receive dividend income, which is comparable to a bonus. The distribution of a portion of the company's profits to its shareholders is referred to as dividends, and it occurs whenever the company generates profits. Due to the fact that you do not need to put in any effort to get it, it is referred to as passive income. When you have shares in a company, all you have to do is wait for the dividends to arrive. Selection of the appropriate stocks, on the other hand, can be difficult. Not all businesses pay dividends at a high rate, and some may not pay any dividends at all. Therefore, dividend income is a pleasant perk. However, it is essential to select your stocks carefully in order to guarantee that you will receive satisfactory returns on your investment. 3. Rental income. As a means of generating revenue, wealthy individuals generate rental income by allowing others to reside in or use properties that they own in exchange for payment. It is comparable to the payment of rent in order to reside in a house or apartment. This method of earning money provides individuals with a consistent flow of revenue, which is beneficial for the management of their financial situation. It is also possible for them to save money on taxes by owning rental properties, because there are certain tax advantages linked with this type of ownership. It is not an easy job to be a landlord. Putting forth a lot of effort and dedication is required. Landlords are responsible for the maintenance of the properties they own, the recruitment of tenants, and the resolution of any issues that may arise. One could say that it is a job in and of itself. 4. Royalties and selling rights. Royalties and selling rights are ways that creators make money by giving permission to others to use their ideas or creations for a fee. This could include things like books, inventions, or even well-known names. Once the initial work is finished, creators can still earn money from their creations without having to do more work. For example, authors can earn royalties every time their books are sold, even years after they were first published. Similarly, inventors can receive payments for others to use their patented inventions. It's like getting paid over and over again for something you created once. This passive income can be a steady source of money for creators, even when they're not actively working on new projects. 5. Interest payments. Interest payments are like rewards you receive for letting others borrow your money. For instance, if you keep your money in a savings account at a bank, the bank will pay you interest for allowing them to use your funds. Similarly, if you sell a business and agree to receive payments gradually over time, you can earn interest on those payments. It's considered safe to earn interest through banks because they are often insured, which means even if something goes wrong with the bank, your money is protected up to a certain limit by the government. It's important to protect your interests by having legal agreements in place, especially when dealing with large sums of money or complex financial transactions. These agreements outline the terms and conditions of the arrangement, ensuring that both parties understand their rights and responsibility. This helps to safeguard your investments and ensure that you receive the interest payments you are entitled to. 6. Capital gains from appreciated assets. Capital gains from appreciated assets occur when you sell something, like stocks or real estate, for a higher price than what you originally paid for it. It's like making a profit from your investment. This method can help you increase your wealth over time because you're selling your assets at a higher value than what you bought them for. However, there are risks involved, especially when it comes to changes in the market. The value of assets like stocks and real estate can go up and down due to changes in the economy, market trends, or other factors beyond your control. So while capital gains can be a good way to make money, it's important to be aware of the risks and to make informed decisions when buying and selling assets. 7. Business income. When you own a business, you have the opportunity to earn money from the profits it generates. These profits represent the income that remains after all the expenses of running the business have been paid. This includes costs like rent, utilities, salaries for employees, supplies, and any other expenses necessary to keep the business operating smoothly. The potential for earning money through business ownership is significant because there's virtually no cap on how much you can make. Unlike with a traditional job where your income may be limited by a salary or hourly wage, owning a successful business allows you to directly benefit from its financial success. The income from a business can be diversified across various revenue streams within the company. For instance, a retail business might earn money from selling products, offering services, or even renting out space within its premises. Along with the potential for high rewards, owning a business also comes with inherent risks. Business owners face uncertainties such as fluctuating market conditions, changes in consumer preferences, competition, and economic downturns, all of which can impact the profitability of the business. Running a successful business requires significant time, effort, and dedication. Business owners often find themselves working long hours, especially in the early stages of establishing and growing the business. There's usually a need to invest substantial resources, both financial and non-financial, into the business to ensure its success. As we wrap up, it's clear that there are numerous ways to build wealth and secure your financial future, whether it's through earned income, dividends, rental properties, royalties, interest payments, capital gains, or owning your own business. Each avenue offers unique opportunities and challenges. Keep in mind that achieving financial success frequently calls for a combination of tactics, careful planning, and a willingness to take risks that have been carefully evaluated. Consequently, when you engage on your journey toward achieving financial independence, it is imperative that you continue to explore, learn, and adjust to new options. In the event that you found this information to be helpful, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel in order to receive additional informative content on topics such as personal finance, investing, and tactics for generating wealth. In addition, the most crucial thing is to act. Any action you take, whether it be establishing financial objectives, making investments in yourself, or investigating new sources of income, puts you one step closer to achieving your desired level of financial success. We appreciate you watching, and until we meet again, may you continue to be financially knowledgeable and self-sufficient.